Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Tasks of artificial intelligence. The tasks artificial intelligence can perform include learning. Artificial intelligence can learn quickly about so many things and the ways in which it is designed to perform. Then we have reasoning. Artificial intelligence has the capability to reason, to analyze, to come to the logical conclusion. Problem solving. Like human intelligence, artificial intelligence is able to solve the problems, is able to solve the complex task. Then we have understanding language. Artificial intelligence can use the language in the way humans do. It can help you understand, it can help you speak, and it can come up with so many different and innovative ideas as far as expression of language is concerned. Artificial intelligence can also recognize patterns and also the differences between the objects and the things, and they can classify them into order. Making decisions. Artificial intelligence can also take informed decisions at the moment it is made to perform in the way humans want. Improving efficiency. Artificial intelligence has the ability to improve upon the repeated experiences. Analyzing images and videos. It can also look at images and videos analytically and come up with informed conclusions. These are some of the important tasks, fundamental tasks artificial intelligence can easily and efficiently perform without any hurdle. In my next lecture, I will talk more about evolution of artificial intelligence, types of artificial intelligence, and many more. Hope you understand the concept.